I am Thierry Chartier, Research Director at CNRS, the French National Center for Scientific Research, and I am working at the Institute of Research for Ceramics located in Limoges. The vocation of this ceramic laboratory is the understanding of fundamental mechanisms which take place during ceramic processes or surface treatment in order to improve or develop new processes. I stepped into additive manufacturing of ceramics about 25 years ago. At first, I mainly focused on the stereolithography process with the development of curable suspensions. This was the origin of 3D CERAM and the beginning of a close collaboration. Additive manufacturing brings several advantages for research laboratories working in the domain of materials, such as ceramics. Stereolithography is one process of choice for manufacturing dense and ceramic complex parts with high dimensional resolutions. The need of research laboratories is generally a versatile machine adapted to the manufacture of small objects in a short series and with a low consumption of materials. In fact, the needs are different depending on the activity of the laboratory. In the case of a laboratory of material science, for instance, the interest is to be able to evaluate the performance of a component with the desired architectures using homemade materials. A machine like the C100 Easy Lab by 3D CERAM makes it possible the necessary adjustment of working parameters such as laser power, laser speed, the etching distance, and the scanning strategy to adapt them to different reactive systems. 3D CERAM, thanks to its wide experience, can help the development of such formulation for specific homemade materials. On another hand, if we consider a laboratory of numerical simulation, which purpose is the prediction of part geometry with a given known materials to improve properties or to introduce new function, for example for structural parts with weight reduction, heat exchangers, reactor, and so on. These laboratories are very interested to manufacture objects with the simulated architectures in order to characterize them in operation condition to validate or improve their numerical model. The stereolithography machine in this case is a tool that doesn't require materials and process skills, and the ready-to-print materials are available in the 3D CERAM's materials portfolio.